So question, who in the football world is feeling sorry for Pep Guardiola and Manchester City? I am not. I mean, this Manchester City club with Pep Guardiola at the helm has basically turned what was formerly the most competitive football league in the world into a farmers' league, dominating and winning 6 out of the last 7 Premier League titles, all with the backing of wealthy owners who splash out unlimited cash so that Pep can buy any player he wants. This is a club that in this very same Pep Guardiola period, Manchester City accumulated some 115 breaches of the football fair play rules. But while other clubs have paid the consequences, the cash-rich owners have suppressed the Man City ruling in the courts. And now City have got to a little slump. Pep seems like him a losing mind. And people are saying we should exhibit a little bit more humanity towards them and feel sorry for Man City and Pep Guardiola. But me says sorry for what?